Hey guys, welcome back. आज जा रहे हैं क्रिकेट का मैच देखने. इंडिया वर्सेस साउथ अफ्रीका सेकेंड डे. मैच ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट हो चुका है. 10:30 इज द टाइम. लेट हो चुका ऑलरेडी. And I was traveling from Mumbai, which wasn't a pleasant experience for me. ना ज़्यादा भीड़, ना ज़्यादा कंजेशन, ना ज़्यादा लोग. The experience was really bad. धूप काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो चुकी है. It was let's see what to say. It was really a bad experience for me. Sorry. So you can see the people that they are with dance. They're trying to ask for money, extort money actually. क्योंकि पैसा मांगना और extortion are a different thing. You get harassed, you get grabbed by them, touched by them, which is obviously not legal if you complain, but since they're trans, they have पूरी छूट उनके पास है. What you can say, all the freedom. You can't really ask the police about it because कोई कुछ करेगा नहीं उसके ऊपर. So either way, let's just keep moving. I don't give money to them because they are fully able. Obviously they are trans, but they are fully able and they are begging even though they are fully able. So उन लोग को पैसा देके कोई फ़ायदा है नहीं because it becomes a business for them. भाई पैसा मांगो उनको तो भाई मैं क्यों काम कर रहा हूँ. अगर पैसा मांग के अगर they can earn a lot, why do they work? रास्ते के उस पार धूप कम है बट जाने का रास्ता नहीं उस तरफ. तो वी आर जस्ट गोइंग विद द फ्लो. आई डोंट नो ईडन जाने के लिए यहाँ से और कितना दूर जाना पड़ेगा. इट्स शोइंग 700 meters on my phone, but I still have no clue. India's score when I last checked was 1 wicket down for like 50-60. Rahul was batting and Washington Sundar was batting. That was yesterday. I still don't know what kitna jana padega. I can see the stadium lights from here. Yeah, so talking back about the metro and the experience of the public transport in Kolkata, it's really bad. Bus le lo, you consider the auto rickshaws, the metros, the local trains. It's absolutely bullshit. The government does not invest much in any of those. Not to mention the roads. Being in a capital city of a state, I've been to Bhubaneswar, I've been to Delhi, I've been to one more state there was. So 3-4 states. I've been to Varanasi. It's not the capital state, but look at the difference between those states and the capital city of West Bengal. It's really bad. Bhubaneswar is too good for as for the road infrastructure, I should say. It was the best I've experienced so far. Delhi not so good because the crime rate is obviously high, but Bhubaneswar no match. Let's see. All good. I can see something. So let's go for it. Zebra crossing भी है यहाँ पे. Entry for all guys. सब यहीं से लोग जा रहे हैं. I'm going as well. I could see myself now, so apologies if you guys didn't see me for this. जर्सीज वगैरह सेल करें जर्सीज कैप्स विराट but it's all Virat. It's all Virat. First of wait. Somebody is selling tickets in black. What the? Somebody is selling tickets in black. I saw that guy. He's holding like 5-6 tickets and he's selling black. Okay. He has like what the? That lady is also selling tickets in black. 300 for 200. Come on, man. Black.
छोटा माल दे देना छोटा माल दे देना छोटा माल
Oh, I'm just going with the traffic. I don't even know where to go, just going with the flow because everybody is going that side. And I know they're all going to the stadium. Oh, yeah, I don't have a cameraman. I don't have a selfie stick or anything to hold my phone like this. So it looks weird when I hold my phone like that. Right? So, like I was saying, thank you for all this.
color
Thank you. And so with all the sports gears. Yes, yes. He has come to watch. What's the game? The 13 to 17, I got mine. As you can see, that's the stadium that we were talking about. The 13 to 17. That entry is really good. So look at that. Entry is really good set, but anyway, let's keep walking. I mean, if we are entering a stadium, at least have the entry right. We are having Gill is playing, I guess. That's for him. So it's gonna be a wonderful experience. मैं इस पहले से एक ही बार आया हूँ stadium. So this is the second time I'm coming. I don't know if I'm yapping. I have my headphones on, so is it capturing the voice nicely or not? But let's see. If it does capture this, capture the voice nicely, it's gonna be good for me because I spend a lot on these headphones. It's the Samsung Buds 3 Pro, the Pro version, which is similar to the AirPods. So people usually use a mic for all this, but I don't know yet. I don't know anything. Yet, look at them. Crap. लग रहा गाँव में आ गया हूँ. There is a Mercedes over there. The black car. I thought somebody called me. Practicing. Oh, how nice. How nice is that? So let's take the entry. And we could. So tired. Box office. I wish I had it. Clubhouse. गेट 14 ওই দিক দিয়ে যাব তো गेट 14 এই দিক দিয়ে যাব তো गेट 14 এটা এই দিক ক্লাব হাউস ওকে থ্যাংক ইউ ওকে দাদা गेट 14 কোন দিক দিয়ে ব্লক F1 লিখো 14 থ্যাংক ইউ Look at that. Oh. Get 14. I wish I had the club tickets. I tried to, but it was all sold out. I mean, it would be like 1,000 or something for the club tickets, but you'd get all the facilities as a VIP. So it would be a nice deal for because the normal tickets are 200. The one I bought, that was the most expensive one on the list, apart from the club tickets. Sir, gate 14 कोणता? आगे जाओ 14. Thank you. Look. Sachin and all. I have to walk so much just to get the ticket. That's I had brought my cap. So yeah, I'm already yapping for like 14 minutes. Goni.
18 bhai.
14 gates. 16. So 14 would be the next one. How do I go there? I wonder. Might be true. He said that half of it might be used, which might be true because for 50 and 100 you don't get a cab ride. That's so cheap. I'm not talking about the quality, but he's saying it might be used. He just clean it up and sell it back to you. Wait, let me just take out.
হ্যালো, এটা কি আছে এটা? হবে জানো ফাঁকা আছে।
Thank you. বলুন।
দেখি দেখি দেখি।
দুজন আসছে দুজন ছাড়বে না
থ্যাংক ইউ।
একজন আসলে ঠিক আছে আমার
Being in Bengal, I've been brought up in Bengal, so I know how to speak the language very well. So even though I'm not a native, like a proper native, I'm not a Bengali, but since is this the Indian cricket teams? Might be. No, might be not. So being native, it's gonna be okay. There's food and all. Let's go up. এদিকে যাবো। Thank you. 981 কোন
এই তো
সামনে ওকে
কোনটা ঘুরতে
So hey guys, basically मैं घर तो आ गया. I could not record on the way after the match because बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउड था, बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्राउड था एक्चुअली. क्रिकेट से जो रिटर्निंग क्राउड थी वो थी, along with the ऑफिस आवर्स, जिनका ऑफिस आवर्स कंप्लीट हो गया वो भी थे. तो I could not record, I could not talk about the game, I could not talk about my experience. So after the match, everyone got out, and during the match it was so energetic, so fun. The crowd was so supportive towards our team India. It was so supportive towards South African as well, like not in a bad way, but as a sport. If you are playing good cricket, if you are playing a good form of cricket, you are showing the sportsman team towards the opponent team. So our crowd was very thankful. Our crowd was very cheering. Our crowd was very nice towards them. Was very kind towards them. So apart from that, the game was so good and it was so intense. The scores were not very high because I think that because of the pitch, it's a bowling pitch maybe. जो भी क्रिकेट में कहते होंगे, it was a bowling dominant pitch, so we could only take a lead of 30 and we got all out because Gill was retired hurt, so उसने बैटिंग नहीं किया. But apart from that, all the 10 players batted and we ended up with a lead of 30. And in the third innings, already South Africa team ने lead ली है, but we have also taken down 7 wickets of them, so it's not a big lead. So the innings is going towards India and the match is going in the favor of Team India. Apart from that, the food arrangement was not so good. Honestly, everything's overpriced. एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट, आप लोग कहोगे कि ओवर प्राइस, मैच देखने जा रहे हो, थोड़े बहुत पैसे तो एक्स्ट्रा देने पड़ते हैं. मूवी के टाइम भी होते हैं, हाँ देने पड़ते हैं. मूवी के टाइम में भी यू हैव टू पे मोर टू बाय द पॉपकॉर्न, टू बाय गेट द ड्रिंक्स. बट आई डोंट फील लाइक आई शुड बी पेइंग एनीथिंग मोर देन इट, बिकॉज जो वहाँ पे पैकेट चिप्स भी थे वो भी was overpriced. I felt like the prices were removed, the prices were printed back. क्योंकि the packets that I see on them, it was some company, I don't know which company it was it, but उसके जो भी prices थे, it was marked 60, but I think it was around 30. If you go to normal general stores, you'll find the same packet for 30. So the packets were marked 60. And the drinks, Campa Cola था वहाँ पे, so Campa Cola was for 250 ml, it was like 50 to 60 rupees, which you can easily get for 20 rupees. So I'm not paying 100% or 150% extra on a thing that uh, that usually cost half of the price. So it's, yeah, the experience is good, but the food is not so good, और वेज में उतने ऑप्शंस थे नहीं, तो वो भी एक कारण है. So apart from that, the experience was really good. Yeah, the crowd was really nice to them, but also at times I felt like there are some foul elements in the crowd जो कि हर जगह पे रहते हैं, जो कि बकवास करते रहते हैं, खुद के बीच में हो या फिर प्लेयर्स के साथ हो, like trying to grab their attention. उसके लिए they were talking rubbish between themselves. कुछ वीडियोस में भी which I was trying to film, they were speaking in the background, so it was recorded. So that made me feel like, यार ये करने की क्या ज़रूरत है. If you could talk to the players, if you could be nice to them, or just enjoy the field, man. Enjoy the match, enjoy the day. Was their game, watch your team games, and just go home with happy jolly mood. Why to talk rubbish about somebody, or just talk rubbish in between yourself? Because there are people around you, who don't want to listen to it, right? So just have some civic sense in yourself, that you might be disturbing other people who are in the same public space as you. Apart from it, it was really good, and my return journey was not really good because I was using public transport, and as I have discussed in the morning itself, that the public transport that we have in Kolkata, it's not so good. So overcrowded, so uncomfortable. So there is nothing about called personal space in it. You are just sticking to somebody else because the crowd is so big. But yeah, reached home, all complaints are gone, everything is gone. Had a lovely day at the field, watched my favorite players. Watched my favorite players, Jasprit Bumrah, be it Kuldeep, be it Akshar Patel, Pant, you name them. I just love watching everyone. The crowd was so energetic. The South African players were so polite and so kind. It was really fun. I would like to watch Virat and Rohit gameplay before they retire, but I've never got an opportunity to watch it until now. So, and their next match is in Ranchi. It's not in Kolkata, so I don't know if I would be able to make it there. But let's see. I don't have any plans, but I'm just considering, what if I go there? What if? Just manifesting. Baki, it depends. It really depends on how luck takes me. If it's in the fate that I could watch them play one time, it would be really nice, right? So let's see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.